Good day everyone. Today I'll take you on a journey to one of the most important pilgrimage and heritage sites in the Philippines, the Basilica Minor of Our Lady of Piat, located in Cagayan Province. The basilica is located in the municipality of Piat, in the province of Cagayan Valley, northern Luzon. It sits about 41 kilometers west of Tuguegarao City, the provincial capital. Piat is surrounded by rolling hills and the Chico River, making the journey here both scenic and serene. Piat Church is a Roman Catholic basilica built from red bricks with Romanesque and Baroque influences. Inside it houses the centuries-old and miraculous image of Our Lady of Piat, also called the Black Virgin Mary. Known for granting blessings to devotees, the church also has a museum and a Marian Hall for pilgrims, and the scenic hill of the Cross nearby. The story of the church dates back to the 16th when the Spanish Dominican missionaries brought the image of Our Lady from Macau to the Philippines. It was first enshrined in Lallo, then moved to Piat to bring peace among the Itawis people. Over the centuries, the church became a spiritual center, and in 1999 it was elevated to the rank of minor basilica by the Vatican, the first in Cagayan Valley. To preserve its beauty and heritage, the church and local government conduct regular cleaning, restoration, and maintenance of the structure. Tourism Office promote responsible pilgrimage, limiting waste and protecting the surrounding environment. The community also educates visitors about respecting the sacred grounds, ensuring the future generation will experience the same peaceful and spiritual atmosphere. Piat Church is not just a place of worships. It is the pilgrimage center of Northeast Luzon. Every July 2, thousands of devotees gathered here for the feast of Our Lady of Piat. Its key features include the miraculous image believed to have healed and granted prayers, and local delicacies like pawa, rice cakes, often enjoyed by the pilgrims after Mass. The Basilica Minor of Our Lady of Piat is more than just a church. It's a living testament to faith, history, and community. Whether you come as a pilgrim or as a traveler, you will live with a deeper sense of peace and connection. Thank you for joining me in exploring these treasured heritage sites of the Philippines.